Woman, let me be your woman. Woman, woman, woman. I can be your woman. Woman, woman, woman.
Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. I'm Tanisha, if you didn't already know. And today we're doing a makeup tutorial, like an everyday no makeup tutorial for summer. I've never done a video like this before. This is very much out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna be pulling a little, you know, James Charles type of video today. Yeah, but we're gonna be testing something out different today, I guess. So let's just jump straight into the video. So before I even get started, I just want you guys to know that I have really oily skin. I've always had super oily skin. I've tried numerous products, trust me, and there's some that kind of helped and there's some that didn't help at all. And this is the process that I figured out that works best for my skin, and I'm gonna share that with you guys. So before I put anything on my face, I always clean my face and just spray it with some witch hazel, because witch hazel does help a lot with oily skin. I've been using it for like over a year and I have seen a difference. So next I'm gonna moisturize, and usually when I moisturize I use this CeraVe facial moisturizing lotion because it also does have sunscreen in it. But since I'm doing my makeup to go out at night today, I'm going to be using my other daily moisturizer, which is the I don't know if you guys can see, but it's the Sephora everyday moisturizer. Guys, I'm gonna try my best like not to make this video boring, because a sitting down and talking with me type of thing, I don't know, I feel like that could either be a hit or a miss. I don't even know if I'm posting this honestly, but we'll see. A lot of people tell me I'm super rough with my face. Like, I was moisturizing my face and over the summer and my cousin saw and she's like, are you trying to beat yourself up? Like, I'm confused. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow. Such a beauty guru, like. Next I'm just using the LA Girls concealer to conceal my eyebrows. I use the color Fawn. Listen, if you're anything like me, then doing your makeup in heat is like the worst thing ever. I also have like sweaty hands, so it's like, I don't know, like touching the products and everything. I don't know. Maybe it's just me, maybe I'm crazy, but and like my makeup never comes out right. I feel like my eyebrows and stuff like that, compared to winter where I keep cool. Anywho's, so I concealed my eyebrows, as you could tell, and I'm just gonna use a brush. So before I used to use a different kind of brush, and I've realized using a brush like this, like a flat brush, and just blending helps to get like all the sorry, using a flat
what the fuck is so goddamn funny?
Using a flat brush like this helps to blend the concealer more out, because my concealer is super light. So this definitely helps to blend it with my actual skin color. So let's get into that. So I definitely think my eyebrows are the most dramatic part of my makeup routine, because like, I don't know, I feel like you could kind of tell like it is makeup based off of how I do my eyebrows, and everyone's eyebrow routine is different, I feel like. But I've been doing it like this for years and I'm not stopping now, okay? Everything else is super natural though. Like I don't even use foundation, which I probably will be having in the title, just so you guys know, because this is for summer, and the summer it just doesn't permit foundation, so it's gonna get it's gonna melt away anyways. So my next product is the Sephora Make No Mistakes High Coverage Concealer, and I'm just gonna put a little bit under my eyes, a little bit up here to help blend the concealer, and I put a little droplet on my dark spots. It over here tends to have is where I had acne, so there's some dark spots, so I put it there and right in my creasings. So usually I don't use this concealer. I use the Fenty Beauty concealer, but I went to Jamaica about 2 months ago and I got super tan, so that concealer and that my foundation doesn't even match me anymore, so I am stuck with this concealer until probably like next winter, because summer's coming around anyway. So I'm just like using this brush and just blending out my concealer. So I didn't even do my forehead yet, but I kind of like use a smaller part just to spread the concealer a bit, but it's not fully blended. So what I do after I spread it a little is I use the bigger half of the brush on the other side and I just fully brush it out everywhere. Go back under the eye, go above the eye, close your eyes, around the nose. Okay, now that I'm done with the bottom half of my face, I'm gonna go and do the same thing to the top. It's just a little bit harder because my edges are done already, and yeah. I know some people don't apply, like when they do their makeup, they don't even apply anything to their foreheads, but I can't do that because my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, and I know that sounds really weird, but my theory is when I'm outside in the sun, based off of the shape of my face, the sun tans my forehead more than it tans the rest of my face, and that's why my forehead is darker than the rest of my face. Call me crazy, I don't care. Okay, so honestly at this step, with the base and everything on, you could stop here when it comes to like doing anything to your skin, and not like, of course, not your eyelashes or lips or anything. But I have super oily skin and this is a very dewy look right now, and because I have oily skin, I do not need a dewy look, because 10 minutes from now I'm gonna have a dewy look, so I need to be as matte as possible. Well, not 10 minutes from now, like maybe like an hour, but same thing. So what I do to like enforce that matteness is I go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder that you can get in your shade, and I just pour a little in the cover and grab a little brush, and I don't want to get it on my clothes because I'm already wearing what I'm going to be wearing out, so we're gonna like tilt forward a bit and just apply that on. I'll probably do this side and compare it real quick. Okay, so I have it on one side. This side is the one with the powder on, and this side the powder isn't on. I don't know if you guys are able to see the difference as much on camera, but trust me, you could very clearly see the difference in person. Okay, so now that my base is officially done, I like to go in with some highlight, not too much, because as I did say, the sweat is enough glow. I'm gonna go in with so I like this. I got this highlight originally because it was black owned, and it's a very good, especially on darker skin tones. It is called Juvia's Place. So I just like do like 3 little dots and I blend it out like this. I do use a fan brush sometimes, but recently I've been using my finger because everyone's like, applying makeup with your fingers, that helps it blend better. So you know what, we're testing things out all summer in 2022 in general. So as you could tell, I don't add a lot of highlight. Just blend this out. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my face with some setting spray. This setting spray is, I think I got it from like a TJ Maxx, I'm not gonna lie. But it is the Nicole Miller New York Primer Setting Spray. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna apply some lashes. So the lashes I have, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to get, honestly, because I got them from TJ Maxx. Like I got a bunch of them and they only had it once and I've been looking for it and I never found it again. And the lash glue that I use is the Ardell Lash Grip Eyelash Clear Adhesive. My struggle. So I do like to wait a couple of minutes to let my glue get a little tacky on my eyelashes before I do apply. So while we're waiting, I'm just gonna put some lip gloss on. And I use nothing too snazzy, like I literally use the Broadway lip gloss from the beauty supply store. Listen, other than the MAC lip gloss, this does the job, okay? Yeah, that does it. And now I'm just gonna put my lashes on. Sometimes I apply my lashes just with my fingers, but today I'm feeling snazzy, so I'm gonna use this little tool I have that is very beginner friendly. It's like a lash applicator type of thing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this off camera, sorry. Okay, so the lashes are on. They didn't give me much trouble, and I'm just gonna add some mascara on my real lashes now that they're on to help blend. I've been trying like not to like make that face when I put my mascara on because like it literally makes no difference. I don't know why, like most, look, I'm doing it. Okay, I'm not gonna do it. Like it literally doesn't make a difference. I don't know why I feel the need to, and like most girls do it as well. Like if you have never done that, then seek help, babes. Sometimes I do like to add mascara onto my bottom lashes, but I don't think I'm doing that today because it always transfers onto my under eyes and makes it look like I have dark under eyes, so I'm not gonna do that today.
I can be your lady, I'm a woman, I'm a motherfucker, but they got a problem. Put some babies in your life and take away the drama. Put the paper in the picture like a...
And yeah guys, that is my no makeup everyday makeup tutorial. Really long title. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you learned a thing or two from watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Let me know any tips that you may have that I could use. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.
Gotta face a lot of people that are opposite, cause the world told me we ain't got the common sense. Gotta prove it to myself that I'm on top of shit. And you would never know a guy without a goddess is honest as fucking honest, kidding. I could be on everything.